Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Oaks. I've missed seeing you guys at home. I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope you guys are ready for your mid-module 6 assessment. So this is our last module assessment of the year, okay? But at the end of the school year, about a week before we're done with school, we will have a final about some stuff that we've learned all year. But this is our last module assessment, so I can't wait to see all the great work that you've done and everything that you've learned so far in Module 6. So we're going to go ahead and get started with problem 1. I'm going to read it to you. So for all of these problems, you're going to see 1A, 1B, and 1C. For all of these problems, I need you to have 3 things, okay? I need you to have a drawing, I need you to have a number sentence, and I need you to fill in this statement. I actually don't have it on this video right now, but I'll have it on the next one. You need to write your answer on the line here on the statement. So again, you need a picture, a number sentence, and your answer in the statement. Okay, let me read it to you. Lucy has 5 pencils. Kim has 7 pencils. How many more pencils does Kim have than Lucy? So I want you to think about how we did those tape diagrams that had 2 sections, right? We would start with our bigger or our smaller number, and we would see how many we needed to count on to get to that total or to the greater number. So if Lucy has 5 and Kim has 7, how many more does Kim have than Lucy? Show me a picture, a number sentence, and write your answer on the line.